In today's guide, I'll walk you through turning on two-factor authentication for your Hotmail or Outlook account. This extra step keeps your email safe, even if someone gets your password. First, open your browser and head to the official Microsoft Outlook login page. Make sure you're on the Microsoft site for security. Then click the sign in button in the top right. Enter your Hotmail or Outlook email and password. Once logged in, you'll land on the Outlook homepage. Now, in the upper right corner, click your account icon or name. From the drop-down, select My Profile. On your profile page, look for the Security tab. Click it to access account protection settings. Here you can also update your password if needed. Microsoft shows tips for stronger passwords, worth checking before moving on. Now, find the option labeled Two-Step Verification. Click it to start setup. Microsoft will guide you step by step. Confirm your phone number, then pick your method, like text messages or an authenticator app. Follow the prompts, enter the code sent to your phone or app. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication is fully active. And that's it. You've successfully turned on two-factor authentication for your Hotmail or Outlook account. This one change adds a strong layer of security to protect your email.